In this video, I will show you how to find Discord ID. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, we're here on Discord. Now you can do this on a PC, laptop, or even a mobile device. Really easy to do. And the first thing you're going to want to do once you've got Discord opened is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the gear icon to go into your user settings. From here, what you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you want to come down to the advanced section just here, give that a click, and from here you want to make sure you've turned on developer mode. So if it's not turned on, you want to turn this on. Once that's done, you can come out of your settings and come back to Discord. So once developer mode is enabled, you can now go ahead and view anyone's ID just by simply clicking onto the profile that you want to view the user ID for. Then what you need to do is right click onto the profile and you're going to get this menu come up. And if you look towards the bottom, there's an option there which says copy user ID. So if you click onto this, then what you can do is click anywhere, and if you hold down Control and press V, this is going to show you the Discord user ID. So again, you can do this for yourself just by simply right clicking onto your profile picture just here, and you're going to see the option again, copy user ID. Click onto that and you can paste that here. And as you can see, this is the Discord user ID. Of course, what I've had to do is blur some of this out for security reasons, but that is how to find Discord ID. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.